Welcome to the world of learning, where every moment is an opportunity to discover, grow, and thrive. Today, we embark on a journey filled with inspiration, motivation, and the boundless joy of learning. In this sanctuary of knowledge, we find purpose, passion, and endless possibilities. Here we come alive with the thrill of exploration and the excitement of uncovering new horizons. Meet a seeker of knowledge on a quest for greatness. With each step forward, embraces the journey with courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in their potential. Together, we celebrate every victory, big or small, as progresses along their path to success. Each page turned, each concept mastered, and each challenge conquered brings us closer to our goals. In this vibrant community of learners, we thrive on diversity, collaboration, and the joy of shared discovery. Together, we uplift and inspire one another, creating a culture of positivity and encouragement that fuels our collective growth. As nourishes their mind, body, and soul, they cultivate a sense of balance and well-being that empowers them to tackle any challenge with resilience and vigor. With unwavering determination and a positive mindset, rises above every challenge, knowing that within them lies the power to transform dreams into reality. So, join us on this incredible journey of learning, growth, and self-discovery. Together, we will unlock the doors to a world of infinite possibilities and unleash the full potential that lies within each and every one of us.